Are you done? Are you done making all this money only to turn around to do all the wrong things with it? Are you done grinding day in and day out only to spend it all and be back at square one? Are you done giving Uncle Sam more than his fair share, watching your hard-earned money disappear before you even able to enjoy it? Are you done being in debt, working extra hard only to find yourself in last place? Well, if you're serious and you're ready to break free, it's time for Mailbox Millionaire Banking, the solution to take ownership of your money, build lasting wealth, and most importantly, have your money work for you and not the other way around. See, with the Mailbox Millionaire Banking Framework, we have unique technology and unique frameworks for somebody who spends a lot of money or somebody that's in debt, and take you to be somebody that can provide a legacy for your children's children. Listen, if you want to provide a legacy like a Mailbox Millionaire, comment the word legacy below and I'm going to send you a free educational video. Let's get it.